Hi everyone, let's cook a simple creamy chicken mushroom for today. Start with chicken breast marinated and also the carrots, and then we have to stir it with low heat and then set aside. Add stir the garlic and onion and mix with the carrots and also the mushroom. Hay naku, mahirap pala mag-English, so mag-Tagalog lang tayo para madali. Ayan, seasoning, haluluin konti, lagay natin yung gatas, ayan, para mas creamy siya. Gatas uli na konti, yung sticky na gatas, ayan, haluluin konti, tapos ilagay din natin yung manok na niluto natin kanina. Ayan, set aside natin kanina. Ayan, pamintang durog powder. Ayan na, lagyan na natin ng onion leaves at saka yan na yan. Kain na tayo. Thank you for watching. Until then.